Long live the spirit of Comrade Senzo Mfaela, long live.
Long live.
Comrade asikwazanga ukufihla uComrade uSimo Mfaela. Long live the spirit of Comrade Simo Mfaela, long live.
Long live.
Long live the spirit of Comrade Simo Mfaela, long live.
Long live.
Live the spirit of Comrade Senzo Mfaela, long live.
Long live.
Mphathi wohlelo umfowethu uMashasha, abefundisi abakhona phakathi kwethu, umfowethu uKhayo Mpungose osivulele ngomkhuleko, usihlalo kazwelonke weqembu lenkatha yenkululeko uMdlovu oqeda ukungethula phakathi kwenu, bo comrade nonke amalunga eNEC njengoba nethuliwe kule nkonzo yokuvalelisa nokucelebrate impilo kaMfowethu uMfaela. Ngikhuleke emakhosini aseNdlunkulu, inkosi umntwana uMadlala ekhona phakathi kwethu, inkosi ewumhlobo wothando kwaMfaela, inkosi uMdutshane ekhona phakathi kwethu, abantwana bonke baseNdlunkulu, imbonile umntwana waSonkweni nabo bonke abantwana abakhona, abahlonishwa omeya bethu abethuliweyo, xolisa kakhulu kuba nganibaluli ngamunye kodwa njengoba nibaluliwe ngiyanibingelela bo comrade, osekela meya bethu osomlomo, ubuholi bukazwelonke embuthweni wabesifazane okukhona phakathi kwethu, uMamtulu njengonobhala ezingeni likazwelonke, ubuholi bukazwelonke bombutho wentsha okukhona phakathi kwethu, umfowethu uMyeza uMyeza, umfowethu uLonhle Gumede, bese kuba uyena obaholayo umfowethu Mabaso njengonobhala embuthweni wentsha kuzwelonke. Angibingelele kuwonke amakhansela ethu, ubuso be-IFP emphakathini yakithi, izinqalabutho ezabuthwa kanye nomfowethu Mfaela ezibaluliwe phakathi kwethu. Sithobeka kakhulu kuba nizohlonipha niphelezele lensizwa enihambe ibanga elide nayo. Bingelele go former DGs abethuliweyo phakathi kwethu, abaholi kwezamabhizinisi ubaba uMyeni ngibonile, nabo bonke all business persons who were friends in Comrade Senzo Mfaela, who also identified himself as a business person. Bingelele kumanximalo ongiphelezelayo, bingelele kubo bonke comrade amalunga eqembu lenkatha yenkululeko abenze into efanele to come and pay tribute to Comrade Senzo Mfayela. Angibingelele ke ngokukhethekileyo kwizihlobo zakwaMfayela, abangani bakaMfayela, kakhulukazi umndeni wakwaManci la ubaba uMfayela abone khona, bese ngibingelela ke umndeni wakwaMfayela okuyiwona esihlangene ngawo. Mphathi wohlelo ke kwaba khona isigatshana la comrade abake bahuba khona ingoma ebithi noma besigwaza noma besidubula sokulandela shene. I said, indeed, today is the 50th anniversary celebration in advance to bid a farewell to our brother and a leader, Comrade Senzo Mfayela, because uSenzo besimbalile kubantu ebebenikezwe umsebenzi, an assignment to contribute on the story of the IFP to be presented on 21 March when IFP completes 50 years, as well as on 23 March when the IFP celebrates 23 years. Indeed, his farewell today must be a celebration for 50 years of existence of the party of his choice, because he won't be amongst us when we celebrate on 21 and 23 March 2025. Egameni lesigungu sikazwelonke seqembu leNkatha Yenkululeko nasegameni lethu sonke, ngiyafisa mphathi wohlelo ukuba ngedlule ukuba sedlulisa ukuthokoza kwethu emndenini wakwaMfayela, ukuba wemukele isicelo sethu, nakuba wase unqumile wona ukuthi umfowethu uSenzo bazomlondoloza ngobesine, kodwa kwathi masicela ukuthi sibe yingxenye yokugubha ideparture kamfowethu uSenzo kube usuku lwangesonto. Siyabonga kakhulu kinina bomthokoza. Siyazi ukuthi umndeni mawuse unqumile futhi noma imuphi umholi uma isedlulile emhlabeni usuke sewumndeni. Kodwa ke sithobeka kakhulu ukuthi umndeni wakwaMfayela sathi mase sisho ukuthi sekufika umndeni omkhulu, behlela ngezansi basinika ithuba lokubazovalelisa kumne wethu esihambe ibanga elide naye. Impela bomthokoza bekuzoba imbibizane yesibili ukube anizange nisinike leli thuba. Asikwazanga ukufihla umfowethu uSimo Mfayela ngenxa ye-COVID-19. Siyabonga ke bomthokoza ukuba nisiphe ithuba lokuba sizovalelisa kule nsizwa eyabuthwa umabhanga walingana nabafokazana eminyakeni ecela kwecishe ibe ngamashumi amahlanu, which is 48 years ago. Bomthokoza, singofakazi benu, umfowethu uSenzo ulwile nokugula futhi isikhathi eside. Ukube ubengabhekene nesiqhwaga esiwukufa, ngabe uyehlulile impi yokugula kwakhe. Akukho umfowethu Senzo angakwenzanga emandleni akhe. Akukho futhi nani njengomndeni elingakwenzanga ukuthungatha ukwelapheka kwakhe. Sinibonile nimeseka futhi nimlekelela ukuba anqobe isitha esiwukufa. Sithobekile enhlizweni zethu ukunibona nimnaye zikhathi zonke. Ngakho ke egameni lethu sonke njengoba nisibona sifikile ngobuningi bethu sizothi kunina phephisani, anilahlekelwe nodwa. Induku eshaye nina nathi isishayile. Siyazi ukuthi kepha kini lihlabe lephukela iva enyameni. He was a husband to his wife, a father to the family beyond his children, a brother to his siblings, and an uncle, and also a grandfather. He was a shelter and a refuge and a pillar of the family. Kuyo yonke imindeni uma kuwa insika luyavama nophahla unyakaza noma lidilike. Njengoba ke nisibona silabo umchoboza, sizokunibiyela ngemikhuleko futhi sizoneseka ukuba uNkulunkulu aniqinise nakulesi sikhathi sokulahlekelwa okungaka. Njengoba nisibona silapha sonke siumndeni omkhulu weIFP, sithe asizogebisa amakhanda kanye nani ukuhlonipha impilo kamfowethu uSenzo Mfayela ongasekho egameni phakathi kwethu. Egameni lethu sonke sinikhalela kakhulu futhi siyanxusela ukuba uNkulunkulu anesule izinyembezi futhi naleli inxeba elophayo alipholise masinyane. Sinikhalela bomchoboza nathi sizikhalela. Okwehlele nina kwehlele thina sonke. Your loss is our loss, and your pain is our pain. Leli bekuyiqhawe lethu futhi nenxusa lethu. Bekuyilunga leIFP lifulathele noma libheke emuva. Ekukhanyeni nasekusithekeni umfowethu Senzo ubeyilunga leIFP. Ubungeke umthole ngokunye emini, ebusuku umthole ngokunye. Abakwamfayela neIFP bawumndeni owodwa omkhulu ngenxa yomlando omude kusukela kubaba walapha ekhaya kuze kufike einganeni zalapha ekhaya kanye nezizukulwane zalapha ekhaya. Siqaphelisile mfowethu uMfayela uma uthi iziko lesithathu emndenini neyinkatha. Asikungabazi ngisho noma sibuke emaphepheni maye wavela isibongo sithi Mfayela siye sithi uyinkatha. Sekungathi ke noma ke mase simbona esegqoka okunye sithi hey wena, ebese sheshe bona ukuthi ayisengiphumile emgqeni. Angingabazi ukuthi ukube lesifo sifike umntwana waphinda ngene esaphila ubezosifikela ukuzofihla ingane yakhe nebutho lakhe elamlandela kusukela ngo1976 kwaze kwaba sekufeni. Lalani ngenxeba ke bomchoboza, uNkulunkulu sengathi nganiqinisa aniphe ukuthula kanye nokuphola emoyeni nasenyameni kulokhu kulahlekelwa okungaka. Today we meet to mourn, to remember and celebrate our brother and a patriot. Ukwedlula emhlabeni kaMfowethu Senzo Brian Mfayela kufanele kuwa komuthi omkhulu. Ubukhulu bomuthi kubonakala uma sewuwile. Ayikho ingxenye yesifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal engamekelelekile kule nkonzo yokubalelisa uMfowethu Senzo. Comrade Senzo was a stalwart who joined the IFP in 1976 and was one of the first generation of youth leaders of Inkatha Inkululeko Yesizwe. He was one of the pillars of the IFP, Ingqalabutho, Ingqolobane, an intellectual, indoda ebikwazi ukujula ngomcabango, a person who loved the IFP even during his times of great illness, a man who lived his mind. UComrade Senzo ubephikisana noma ubani uma ekholela kulento akholelwa kuyona. But he was a disciplined man. Once the debate simehlulile, he will support what has been agreed upon. Comrade Senzo was a soldier who died with his boots on. Up to the time when he collapsed, Comrade Senzo, khumbula omunye umhlangano afika kuwo empangeni, ngathi ngizokwenza njani ngoba mdala kunami, akafanele uSenzo kube ngabe ulala. Ngathi Senzo, you are not right mnewethu, kunjani ubuyele ekhaya? Wathi hayi sengihambe ibanga elide kangaka, ngeke ngisakwazi ukubuyela ekhaya. UComrade Senzo was a product and a brand that was brewed and manufactured by Umntwana kwaPhindangene and by the IFP indirectly. He was a good debater. No matter how hard or hot the debate was, why we see ufela phakathi, as I said, but he was a disciplined member of the IFP. In an argument, he will sharply express his different opinion, but once a decision is made, he will be an advocate of the decision made even against his views. But of course, Senzo rarely lost debates. In the midst of modernity and flow of change, Senzo will always remind us, ngomgomo, ethi ngiyakubona konke lokhu, kodwa singakhohlwa umgomo iqembu leNkatha Inkululeko elakhelwa phezu kwawo. Of course, Senzo was good in adaptation. He would adjust in a discussion if it eventually goes against his views. Comrade Senzo was an IFP through and through until the end of his life. Even in business, he maintained being an IFP member. He did not change his membership as an IFP for the business purposes. Abantu abaningi ngenxa yokuhlupheka nokweswela nangenxa iqembu le-IFP elike laba sesimeni sokwehlelwa ukwesekwa babushintsha ubulungu babo ukuze bathole amathuba kwezamabhizinisi. Abaningi bebekufihla ukuthi baseyi-IFP bethi hayi yini lowo kudala ukuze bathole amathuba kwezamabhizinisi. UComrade Senzo was either he gets a business as an IFP member or not. And that is what makes him an identifiable IFP leader whom we bid farewell today. As I said, Comrade Mfaela was a stalwart who worked closely with Mtwana Wapindangene, the founder of the IFP. Comrade Lundaba has indicated the number of instances when Comrade Mfaela joined the IFP that he worked in the office of Mtwana Wapindangene, who was the chief minister of KwaZulu government in 1982. That Comrade Senzo Mfaela carried on to work in the Nkatha Institute as a researcher to advance the views and ideas of the IFP. We will remember Comrade Senzo that he represented the IFP well as an IFP representative in Germany. Upon his return, Comrade Senzo formed the first brigade of the IFP between 1994 and 1999 that represented the IFP in the government of South Africa after the first democratic elections in 1994. Comrade Senzo, even during the time when he was no longer well in life, when he was requested to become the CEO of the foundation named Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi Foundation, Comrade Senzo gave all his effort, energy, and brains in advancing the legacy of Mtwana Wapindangene. The last statement Comrade Senzo asibhala ngenzuka yike yodaba lwethala iIFP elwisana nalo ukuba lingavalwa ngoba liyifa labantu bakithi abansundu. Comrade Senzo, that last statement he wrote, he was admitted in hospital but managed to say, we can't allow the legacy of Mtwana Wapindangene go down the drain irrespective of ukuthi siyagula. Comrade Senzo, we lost in him a distinguished and a loyal leader who served with honor and integrity. Comrade Senzo was a mediator par excellence, and he had a wealth of wisdom and knowledge. There was ukuthi makunenkinga yokuthi kukhona ukubona okungafani. Once we have sent Comrade Senzo, he will unblock the deadlock because he was a good mediator and he had a wealth of wisdom and knowledge in resolving conflicts. The IFP remains poor with the departure of this great man. He will be remembered for his role as a director at Mandla Mahla Publishing, the company that publishes Ilanga okuyiphephandaba lesiZulu elifundwa eningizimu neAfrika. Today we bid farewell to Comrade Senzo, who was kind, compassionate, wise, and dependable. Comrade Senzo was a true humanist who believed in the motto of Mtwana Wapindangene, Ubuntu Botho. Umuntu ungumuntu ngabanye abantu. Lesi isiqubulo Comrade Senzo asiphilile phambi komphakathi waseNdwedwe naphambi kweningizimu neAfrika. Comrade Senzo believed in the recognition of the needs of others and always helped where he could. He epitomized African humanism. Umuntu umuntu nabantu. Ningofakazi bantu bala endwedwe ukuthi umfowethu uSenzo ungakanani umnikelo njengoba kufakaze okhulume egameni lesizwe ngomnikelo umfowethu awenzile emphakathini abephila kuwo ngaphambi kokuba aye kubantu bangaphandle kwala ebephila khona. Comrade Senzo was a man who always treated those around him with utmost respect. Ubenesiye umuntu obeyisixhwanguxhwangu obengakwazi ukuhlonipha omunye umuntu. Ngisho laba abancane kunaye neminyaka uComrade Senzo bengahlonipha iminyaka yomuntu kodwa ubehlonipha isiqu somuntu. Abaholi ikakhulukazi laba abakhulayo, if you can take a good lesson from uComrade Senzo Mfayela. We have many young leaders abathi angitshelwa mina umuntu othi angitshelwa mina have no respect of other people. This is one thing we should learn and take as our spear when Comrade Senzo has fallen. As a result, as the IFP, we are proud that today we meet to celebrate a truly remarkable life. Comrade Senzo, he started his career, as we indicated, in the Bureau of Community and Youth Affairs. He devoted his attention on community development programs to empower communities and to ensure that they have full ownership of their projects. uComrade Senzo imfundiso umntwana kaphinda ngene yokuzakha nokuzenzela uyiphile impilo yakhe yonke. Akahambanga enxiba ecela kwabanye abantu. Thema iphuma kuba yilunga leParliament wahamba wayosungula into eyaba eyuzakha nokuzenzela wangena kwezamabhizinisi waba ngomunye wabantu abashiya igama lakhe lihlonipheka kanye nomndeni wakwaMchoboza uhlonipheka. There is one thing amongst others which was not indicated today, which I want to highlight, which will remain as the legacy of Comrade Senzo Mfayela. When Comrade Senzo Mfayela came back from Germany, Comrade Senzo Mfayela became an IFP representative on the National Peace Secretariat, which was formed after the signing of the National Peace Accord in 1991. As a natural diplomat, he, through his service to our nation, made a significant contribution towards peace, growth, stability, and unity of our country. Babxaba, as the leader of the ANC, who is senior here, and other leaders of the ANC, we are grateful to see you to go beyond political boundaries as you are accompanied by the mayor of the ANC in this municipality to come and pay tribute to a man who gave the stability we have today. That is why we would have regretted Umchoboza if you did not allow us this opportunity. In 1994, Comrade Senzo Mfaela, when elected as the Member of National Parliament, he was one of the first generation, as I said. But what is important, Comrade Senzo became a member of the Constitutional Assembly team who drafted the new South African Constitution. Umthethosisekelo wezwe esinawo namhlanje. uComrade uSenzo Mfaela uyena owayephethe imbono nemicabango ye-IFP eyingxoxweni nakulabo ababedweba umthethosisekelo wezwe lethu. uComrade uSenzo, in that team, he served with distinction and he was a valuable member in drafting our country's new constitution and ensuring that the interests of all South Africans are served. Today, therefore, was laid in the morning to rest a true patriot and a countryman. At the Constitutional Assembly in 1995, when the IFP's submission on human dignity, right to life, and privacy was presented, it is Comrade Senzo, the Bill of Rights, which we have in South Africa today. It was the mouth of Comrade Senzo that contributed to that Bill of Rights. Into abantu abaningi abangayazi. uSenzo was a true statesman who led from the front in the fight for the recognition of the institution of traditional leaders. Sithokoza kakhulu mntwana inkosi yakwaMadlala. Amakhosi ngokwesintu siyaqonda ukuthi imfihlo awayihambeli, kodwa bekuyoba ingxenye enesisele ukuthi kwinsizwa eme nomntwana waphinda ngene ikholelwa ukuthi ubukhosi kumele ukuvikelwa njengesakhiwo ukuthi mhla sivalelisa engabisawubikho ngisho noyedwa omele isakhiwo sobukhosi. Sithobe kakhulu wena wesilo. uComrade Mfaela was a walking history book. We lost a history book that had feet. uComrade Mfaela ubekwazi ukunikeza ama-details ezinto eziningi. Ngiyakhala ngendaba I assigned you. Sisuke ukuzobona uMfaela 3 weeks ago. Ngathi go and clean every information. Unfortunately, he has gone. But the information that you have in Ndaba, put it down in writing. You can bring it to me or keep it in the safe. It won't leak. So now, angithi uDouble kaPowell umfowethu uMfaela ngalensizwa balwazi kahle. Yingakho ngathi clean, ngathi hamba usenge yonke into isale ethungeni, because nama sebancane sesikhulile, we realized when we came to see him ukuthi umfowethu is not well. Ukuthi is a fighting man who doesn't want to show ukuthi ukugula kuyamehlula. uComrade uSenzo had a razor sharp mind. He could articulate ideas very clearly. When he debates, uSenzo could advance his views very well and leave no space of confusion. This is what our young leaders must learn. To be able to advance the argument without emotions. To be able to represent your views as a political party without being emotional, so that the counterpart can hear you. The mind of Comrade Senzo was sharp like a razor. Comrade Senzo was like a moral compass that constantly reminded all of us what the IFP stood for. And all the times Comrade Senzo was working hard in ensuring that the sacred views and values of the IFP must be held with dignity in order to identify the IFP amongst other political organizations. Ndeno kwamfayela sifisa ukubonga kunina njengoba ishilo indodana kaMfowethu Senzo ukuthi ubaba beningamazi ekukhuleni kwenu. Sicela ukubonga kunina ukuba niseboleke ubaba wenu, niseboleke umne wenu, nisiboleke nomkhulu kubazukulu, ukuba nibe nesikhathi esincane ama-memories enu mancane kakhulu compared ama-memories ethu, because he spent most of his time with us. Singaba sikwenzanga okulungileyo uma singabongi nina. Siyabonga Kamanzi for borrowing us your husband, for spending more time with us than spending time with you. Impilo yabaholi is very painful. Manqimalo knows well. Really, all the spouses of our leaders, I really want to say thank you for the role we are playing. The sacrifice you go through of not staying with your spouses, your husbands or wives for the sake of the nation. While ngibonga udadewethu, fisa ukunibonga nani bafowethu, ngoba mhlawumbe we do not get time to convey our gratitude to you. I-country ibonakala iqhubeka iya phambili. Ukhohlakala people who pay the highest price of sacrifice with those who are taking our country forward. Ngesikhathi ke sibeka umfowethu uMchoboza, ngifisa ukuthi ngithi kuthina sonke esingabaholi emazingeni ahlukene, let us remember the great spirit and example of our fallen brother, Comrade Senzo. But beyond remembering his great spirit, let us emulate his example of unity, service, selfishness, and dedication. Today, one of the cornerstones of the IFP's foundation is no more. We are not shaken. Yes, we are wounded, but we are not devastated. Words cannot describe our grief and sorrow, but in the midst of our pain, we thank God for Mfayela's life, a true servant of our people, a true warrior for justice, a truly remarkable and human man. Truly, the IFP and South African have lost a patriot who loved and served his country with honor and integrity. Thokoza, hamba kahle insizwa yenkosi. Usikhonzele kuzo zonke insizwa nezintombi ezikwendulele. Usikhonzele kuzo zonke izingqalabutho owabuthwa nazo ozosifica phambili. Kodwa okukhulu kakhulu kunakho konke, usikhonzele kumabhanga walingani nabofokazana. Usho kumntwana kaPhindangene ukuthi izinsizwa zakhe nezintombi zisawubambile umgomo womzabalazo. Hamba kahle ke Mthokoza. We will honor your example and memory. Egameni lethu sonke sithi Ndlelanhle newethu. Uligijimile elakhe ibanga wayibeka induku ebandla. Sonke sisho ngazilinye. Sivalelisa kuwe sithi sengathi ungaphumula ngokuthula Mthokoza size sibonane kwelizayo. Ngiyabonga mphathi.